Hello everyone. In basic civil and mechanical engineering, the most interested topic towards me is 3D printing. 3D printing is nothing but an additive manufacturing technology through which the product has to be developed by using a fused filament material, metal powder, and the liquid stage polymers, also ceramic materials. So, in basic, to understand the basics working of 3D printing, we need to know what are the types, what are the varieties available in 3D printing through which you can able to develop a product by using any 3D printing technology. So, in order to develop a product by using 3D printing, we need to know the basic types available in 3D printing. It is nothing but the first thing is the basic 3D printing model, which is the fused deposition modeling. The second will be stereolithography apparatus. Third will be selective laser sintering. The fourth one will be digital light processing (DLP). The fifth one will be continuous laser liquid interface production. Then the next will be binder jetting, and then the metal jetting, followed by laminated object manufacturing, and finally hybrid technology. With the conclusion, what we are going to discuss about in these slides. Fused deposition modeling is the basic model through which a product can be easily developed in any prototype. Nowadays, the industry is focusing on developing a fused deposition modeling oriented mass production through which you can able to develop a toys, you can able to develop an auxiliary system, you can able to develop a mass production by using automobile sector, we can able to develop any varieties of product which should be a complicated structure. 3D printing is the main technology through which we can able to overcome the complication in producing the complex manufacturing sector through which we can able to develop any structure, any complicated system by using a 3D printing technology. In order to develop these types of method, we need a good designer, we need a good design software through which you can able to develop any complicated structure with the help of this technology. Then the second one will be stereolithography. Stereolithography is nothing but the raw material will be a resin. Resin in case it is in the form of liquid or paste. Exact the term will be paste. Adhesive nature. It will be pasted in everywhere. So this has to be carried out by using a container through which the laser path will be projected inside the resin, through which the resin will be converted into a solid structure, which is nothing but a phase change, which will be happening. So, through which the seal lithography is been working. So, which is the most suitable for producing a high precision product, which is nothing but a jewelry cased. In order to develop a high accurate with complicated structure, we can go for cell. The compared to FDM can able to produce the most viable, most available component, but SLA will be having the capacity to develop any product by using a glassy finish, which is something which looks like a glassy finish. Then the third will be stereolithography apparatus. This is nothing but the producing a product using the metal powder. The main drawback of this system, selective laser sintering, this is nothing but the producing of raw material, the powder, the metal powder. For producing a product, raw material in the form of cylindrical structure, solid structure will be easily. We can able to develop a metal using by high temperature, heating in high temperature beyond its melting point. We can able to suddenly cool, we can able to develop any product. But for producing the metal powder, it will takes a huge cost. So, in order to develop a selective laser sintering method as a mass production as a commercial available printer, we need to develop a new technology for producing the raw material, which is the main drawback of SLS. But in order to develop any complicated structure beyond our creation, beyond our creativity, beyond our ideology, selective laser sintering plays a huge role. Then the fourth one will be direct light processing, through which the similar working principle with the laser support through which the product can be carried out. For continuous light interface production method, the laser source will be in the form of 4 to 5 layers. We can able to develop a oxygen permeable membrane, so which we can able to convert the liquid resin into a solid structure, which is the best example for continuous laser interface production. Then the fifth one will be binder jetting, through which the binder, which is nothing but the paste or adhesive product, we can able to develop the binder jetting. These are the basic methodology, basic technology through which 3D printing can be feasible in different types of material. So, in order to develop a new product, new methodology, new way of product development, 3D printing plays a key role in every manufacturing industry and also a production industry. This is how the 3D printing plays a vital role in every sector, and this is how we are going to develop. Thank you.